optical fiber. In this module, you will learn about an optical fiber. A long straight hallway can easily be illuminated by simply pointing a torch light down it. But what will you do if the hallway has multiple bends? Well, you can fix plane mirrors at the bends systematically so that light is transmitted through them by repeated reflection. This forms the basis for the working of an optical fiber. An optical fiber is a glass fiber that is transparent, flexible, and is as thin as human hair. An optical fiber uses light in the infrared region, which has wavelengths longer than visible light, to transmit digital information. It transmits light and digital information over long distances by total internal reflection. Before learning how an optical fiber works, let us recall the concept of total internal reflection. Look at these two optical media with different optical densities in contact with each other. The critical angle for the pair of media is inverse sine of the ratio of refractive index of the rarer medium to that part of the denser medium. Let us now return to an optical fiber. An optical fiber has three main parts: a core, a cladding, and a coating. The core is made of doped silica, the cladding of natural silica, and the coating of plastics. The core is optically denser than the cladding. A light ray, say OA, strikes one end of the optical fiber at a smaller angle of incidence. The light ray refracts and enters the core. The refracted ray, say AB, strikes the core cladding interface at an angle greater than the core cladding critical angle. Therefore, AB undergoes total internal reflection and is reflected back into the core as BC. So, in an optical fiber, transmission of light occurs through the core only. The main purpose of the cladding is to reflect light to the core. The core and the cladding are very delicate. They are protected by the coating from physical damage and moisture. Optical fibers are widely used in the medical field to diagnose many ailments. For example, in upper gastrointestinal endoscopy, an endoscope is inserted through the esophagus into the stomach of the patient. An endoscope uses optical fibers to transmit light. In this module, you have learnt an optical fiber is a glass fiber used to transmit light and digital information over long distances. It has three main parts: a core, a cladding, and a coating. It transmits light and digital information by repeated total internal reflection. It is used in telecommunication and medical field.